Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Chicken Mappas, an authentic dish of Kerala, is a great combination for a variety of main courses. Today's video is on the same. 1 kg chicken is marinated with turmeric powder, salt, pepper powder and lime juice and set aside for about 20 minutes. 2 medium-sized onions are sautéed until translucent, followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic and green chilies roughly chopped. 1 tomato is also added and cooked for about 2 minutes. Once the veggies turn soft, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of homemade garam masala powder are added and roasted a bit. Next goes in the chicken and it is mixed well with the masala. 2 cups of diluted coconut milk is added to this and the chicken is covered and cooked for about 25 to 30 minutes, checking once in a while. After around 25 minutes, the chicken is done and 1 cup of thick coconut milk is added and simmered for about a minute. The curry is then tempered with small onions. An extra flavor is done by adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala once again. Here goes the yummy, delightful dish for a great lunch or dinner. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy your weekend. I'll meet you again with another video. Bye-bye.